If you want to add a header in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to turn on a header and start typing text at the top of your document. This is really useful if you want to add a document title, your name, a date, page labels, or any repeating information that appears on every page. It makes your document look more professional and organized, especially for reports, assignments, letters, and business documents. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. This opens a new blank document in LibreOffice Writer. Once your document is open, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Header and Footer, then move to Header and select Default Page Style. This is the option that turns on the header for the standard page layout in your document. As soon as you select Default Page Style, you should see a header area appear at the top of the page. It may look like a section with a blinking cursor or an empty line above your main content. Click inside that header area and start typing your header text. You can enter something simple like your document title, your name, your company name, or anything else you want repeated across all pages. Once you type it in, LibreOffice will automatically display that header on every page in the document. If you want, you can also format the header text just like normal text. You can make it bold, change the font size, align it to the left, center it, or right align it, depending on how you want your document to look. Many people like to keep headers clean and minimal, but you can customize them however you prefer. The important thing is that once the header is enabled, it stays consistent throughout the document, which is great for multi-page files. If you don't see the header area right away, make sure you selected the correct page style option. The default page style is the standard one for most documents, so that's usually the one you want. Also, remember that headers are separate from the main body of the document, so if you click back into the page content, you can continue typing your document normally below the header, and that's it. You've successfully added a header in LibreOffice Writer. From here, you can use it to make your documents look more polished and easier to read. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful LibreOffice and productivity videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.